Hi everyone, it's me, Dani. Popsicle sticks. First we're going to make fruit punch. We're going to do cherry. Now next we need oranges. There. Spill. Let it spill. So one is plain for water. Here. I smell it. I don't spill. Okay, now we need it right here. Right there. No. There. Right there. Next one. The next one. Now we can the freeze them. He's on my freezer up there. We have to wait for freeze. We're gonna open it. Taste here. This is good. This is good. Here. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching my channel.